Could less be more? Practical examples from companies not in the healthcare industry that could offer ideas and inspiration that healthcare leaders could consider as it deals with providing direction and improving congruence and coordination amongst the various stakeholders in a hospital ecosystem. Self-management organization. A practical example of this model, called the self-management model, is Morningstar. Morningstar is a company that's based out of California and is a tomato processing company, a company that's been around since 1970 and has been operating without traditional managers or a typical top-down hierarchy. There are no job titles. Employees manage themselves, making decisions and taking responsibility. Employees set personal annual goals. Conflicts are resolved via a peer-mediated process. The company, Morningstar, has close to $700 million in revenue. Example, model number 2, flat organization. Valve Corporation. Valve is a gaming software company. It has a flat organization structure, and again, there is no traditional hierarchy and there are no managers. Employees choose projects and work autonomously. Employees allocate company resources with complete transparency in financials. Decisions are distributed with regular feedback loops. Model 3, podular organization. Example, Amazon. Amazon, the Jeff Bezos behemoth, follows what is called a podular structure. This enables autonomy and innovation. So podular teams are self-contained with clear objectives and goals. At the top of this cluster is a S team, a small group of senior executives reporting directly to the CEO. So the structure allows for clear lines of authority and efficient decision-making processes, which are crucial for a company of Amazon's size and scope. Amazon has adopted a service-oriented architecture to enhance scalability and efficiency. This architectural approach allows individual teams to own their code base and functionality, thereby fostering rapid development and deployment. We have all seen the innovation of customer satisfaction combined with efficiency and scalability that Amazon has managed via this model. There are probably many more examples, and some of them might sound a bit fancy and even impractical. However, unless we fundamentally alter our way of thinking about hospital management and leadership, I doubt things will ever improve. There are valuable lessons from Amazon, Morningstar, and other innovators that hospital systems can borrow and allow for greater autonomy in the trenches. This also means greater participation of doctors who are trained in the basics of economics and equipped to provide leadership. And management should learn to get out of the way occasionally. The results can be pleasantly surprising. As we conclude this part, I want to emphasize the development of a systems mindset. One that might help us recognize the changing interdependencies between subsystems. Now, all these need not resolve the inherent contradictions and tensions within the system, but it will allow us to negotiate good compromises and build creative solutions. Because a complex system demands a lot of empowerment and continuous training in the trenches and at the bedside. More to follow. Stay tuned.